Raise your hand if you love music in the audience. Look at that.
We're here for first screening of the new documentary, The Last Repair Shop, which became a very big film, and I'm glad that today our students can see it too.
It's not often we have an opportunity to witness history by making history.
Really who the film's made for is for the students. You know, I think so much of this film is about recognizing that whatever they're moving through, there might be something, whether it's music or something else, that can help them move through that.
Personally, music was a good way to cope through like things that would go on through home.
Every school in Los Angeles Unified School District sends their instruments. If they have a music program, they send them to us.
There's around 1,300 schools in the Unified, over 80,000 instruments, another 50,000 was added recently.
Instantly when I saw the film, like I was already captured in because how it started with the little girl. She was speaking about her family and how their struggles affect them seeing her, hearing her play. And then throughout the film, it was just more an emotional roller coaster because everybody had a story tied into music and it all connected.
The 4 repair people in the movie for the first time got to meet their customers.
Whatever you saw here, it's all done for you, and all the instruments repaired, they're repaired for you.
What I hope students take out of this is that there is a lot that goes into giving them the opportunities that they have, and we really love it.
It was just so magical. That's the best way to put it, magical.
I am calling it right now. This documentary will win an Oscar, and you saw it before it was announced.